Next up, we have Raghavendra Julukanta. And after them, ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite Mr. Mahesh Chari Kamari.
Congratulations to Mahesh Chari Kumari. A big congratulations to our pioneer Mahesh Chari Kamari. In the same
Wow,
category.
that's the spirit.
Come on, everybody, let's give it up for Mahesh Chari Kamari on stage, our Pioneer Award winner. Next, welcoming Ravi M. in the same category. Let's congratulate our Pioneer Ravi M.
And after Ravi, can we... Sir, you're Ravi?
Can we have Mr. Ravi M?
Join. It's you only. Next up, can we also have Mr. Naveen Kumar Jayachandra?
Congratulations to Ravi M. And next up, Naveen Kumar. Audience, come on, let's have some energy in the house. Everybody, let's clap for the achievers, for our winners joining us on stage. The DJ does the perfect job now. So well, after Naveen Kumar, welcoming Ramesh P. Congratulations to Mr. Ramesh P. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone, let's give it up for our next pioneer, Ramesh P.
Well, guys, now moving on to the next category of awards, that is Trade Compliance Department and Advisory. Let's spotlight a department that truly sets cargo men apart in the logistic industry, our Trade Compliance Department. At a time when global trade is becoming more complex, this team stands as an guiding compass, ensuring that every shipment, every transaction, and every client engagement aligns with the ever-evolving framework of international and domestic trade laws. What makes this team unique is their deep expertise in specialized domains such as SEZ, Special Economic Zones, STPI, Software Technology Parks of India, EOU, export-oriented units, and a host of regulatory and incentive-based trade schemes. While most service providers stop at logistics, cargo men go further. We help clients unlock value and government policies, stay compliant, and navigate the fine print with confidence.
This is a team that decodes complexity into clarity. They ensure businesses don't just move goods, but also move forward ethically, efficiently, and adventurously. And today we recognize those champions of compliance who have consistently carried the weight of responsibility, policy mastery, and advisory excellence. Let's give a huge round of applause to our Trade Compliance Milestone Awards. And to do the honors, we request Mr. Chandan from Micron to please kindly join us on stage to do the felicitation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up as welcome Mr. Chandran from Micron.
Keep up the energy, everybody!
Requesting Mr. Hari Krishna to please kindly join us on stage to do the honors. Welcoming Mr. Hari Krishna. So well, in this category of Trade Compliance Department Advisory, the legends list is huge. And the first name coming up in legends, it goes to Prithvi Raj Mutku. Congratulations to Prithvi Raj. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our legends of Trade Compliance Department and Advisory, Mr. Prithvi Raj.
And after Prithvi Raj, the next name is Rakesh Kant BK. Rakesh Kant BK. Congratulations, sir.
Congratulating Mr. Prithvi. Next up, we welcome Mr. Rakesh Kant. And next, after Rakesh Kant, welcoming the legend of Trade Compliance Department and Advisory, Mr. Raju Bakola. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulating Mr. Rakesh and next the legend Raju Bakola. Next up, welcoming Samuel Gajela. Congratulations to Samuel Gajela. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Samuel Gajela. And after Mr. Samuel, requesting and welcoming Amit Kumar. Congratulations to Amit Kumar. Congratulations to Amit Kumar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the legend of Trade Compliance Department Advisory, the next name after Amit Kumar, it goes to Bashir Ahmed. Congratulations, Bashir Ahmed. दोस्तों come on, तो इसी तालियां हो जाएं. Everybody, come on, let's give it up for the winners, for the champions joining us on stage one by one. Congratulating Bashir Ahmed. हाँ बिल्कुल दौड़े दौड़े आना है सर. Come on, दोस्तों तालियां बजा दीजिए Bashir Ahmed के लिए. And next up, the legend Avinash Singh. Congratulations, Avinash Singh, for being the legend of Trade Compliance Department and Advisory. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up. Let's make some noise. Let's congratulate Avinash Singh. In the same category, Legends of Trade Compliance Department Advisory, it goes to Izhar Khan. Congratulations, Izhar Khan. Big congratulations to our legend, Izhar Khan. So, दोस्तों थोड़ी सी energy हो जाए. Are you all tired? Not right? Come on, everybody, let's make some noise for a legend of Trade Compliance Department. On stage, we welcome Izhar Khan. And after Mr. Khan, welcoming Giridhar Reddy. Congratulations, Giridhar Reddy.